Weight when you're traveling. If you're going out of UK, not a problem. But if you're going out of Europe or America or whatever, you've got to fly. Oh my God, how can you do a 2-week cruise or a 4-week cruise if you've got to fly? Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen, and I want to talk to you today about different ways of saving weight. Last year we went to South Africa and did a 24-night cruise coming back. Now, my husband will tell you that most of our luggage is mine. He's like, well, I only need 2 pairs of shorts and a shirt. That's pretty much what he's like. So, but I take lots of shoes with me, and I take jewellery. And he always complains about my jewellery. He says, your jewellery weighs enough for the hand luggage, like 5 kilos. It's probably exaggerating a bit. But anyway, I thought I've got to find a way of saving jewellery. And of course, every night I dress up. I really don't do casual. My casual is probably somebody else's informal. So very rarely do I do casual in the evening. I just like dressing up. So I have different jewellery, and I wear different jewellery every night. So on a 24-night cruise and then 4 nights in South Africa, so 24 nights, 28 nights altogether, I had to think about how I could save. And it just happened that last year, early in the year, we did a Caribbean cruise, and I saw an American lady, and every evening she came with a different set of jewellery, some earrings and a necklace matching, and I admired it. And I said, oh, your jewellery is lovely. And she said, thank you. The next night I said, oh, you've got some more. I said, it looks lovely again. And she said, it's snap it jewellery. And I'm like, what? I said, she showed me. So she showed me that she has a fitting and just takes off the snap. And so you end up with, oops, to another one. So you just have a snap that snaps onto a fitting, and you can get little ones like this. These are snap-its. In earlier videos you'd have seen me wearing it with a blue stone in, and now I've got a kind of clear sparkly coloured thing, and I've got lots of these little ones. In fact, I've got this little container which has got all kinds of different colours and styles of mini snap-its, the little ones that go on the little fittings like this. They also go onto the little necklaces. I've got several different fittings of necklace. Then I've got some bigger stuff, you know, for my evenings, and I can change it. This is one I had with red, so you know that is for when I wear red, and I've got different stones that can go into this, and I've got a few of these different larger styles. And the reason I can do that is because instead of having loads of different sets, I can have 2 or 3 different fittings and then put the stones in them. And I just add to my stones every now and again. I just, you know, my snaps every now and again. I just go online, order them, and they come. Now I get mine. In fact, I said to this lady, where did you get it? And she said, oh, I think it was a flea market in Fort Lauderdale or Fort Myers or somewhere. And I'm like, oh, well, I don't think it's going to be good idea for me to go there, or it'd be a great idea, but I don't think it's convenient. So I said, oh, maybe I'll look online. And she came the next evening with it written down for me, but in the meantime I'd already Googled it, and I found a supplier in UK. He is a shop in Ashford in Kent, and it's called Snap Jewellery. I'll put the link to it below, and all I do is I go online. Now, he gets different stuff all the time, so if you're anywhere near Ashford and you want to pop into the shop, you're going to get a better selection. So the selection online is not as good as that which he has, but you can get a good idea, and you can certainly get the fittings and a variety. So I just log on every now and again, have a look through and think, oh, or if I get a new dress that's a different colour and I want something to go with it, or I feel I'm short of a couple of colours, I just log on and buy them. So it's really good, and it gives me a variety of jewellery, and it's amazing how often people admire my jewellery and it's the same fittings that they've seen weeks and weeks and weeks running, but with different stones in. So it's just a way of saving space. My husband's happy because it saves weight in our luggage. I'm happy because I get to ring the changes a lot and I like a bit of bling. But there's some unusual ones, there's some different fun ones, there's all kinds of stuff for everybody. So even for children or, you know, younger girls that wear jewellery, they've got bracelets. I'm not a bracelet person, but they've got bracelet fittings and necklaces and so on. So check it out. Snap It Jewellery it is, and it's just a brilliant way of saving space. If this has been useful to you, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm Jan Obridge. I'm the Cruise Queen. Have a brilliant week. Bye.